Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling developer options and USB debugging so the system accepts gesture tweaks. Next, install a gesture launcher plus a navigation bar replacement from the Play Store. These two apps let you emulate iPhone motion and swipe zones. Once done, back up existing gesture settings and note your OEM navigation layout to restore if needed. Make sure you grant required permissions when prompted, because without them, the launcher cannot intercept swipes or simulate the home indicator. Now configure the gesture app. Map swipe up to home, edge swipe to back, and swipe up and hold to open recent apps so it behaves like an iPhone. Then fine-tune edge sensitivity, dead zones, and animation speed to avoid accidental triggers. This is why you adjust small increments and test after each change. Once adjusted, grant accessibility and overlay permissions so the app can reliably detect gestures across other apps. If your OEM navigation conflicts, disable it in settings to prevent double gesture issues. Finish by testing gestures across common apps, home screen, full screen video, and keyboards to ensure the gesture bar doesn't block input. If animations lag, lower animation speed or try a different launcher. Make sure background battery optimizations aren't killing the gesture service. If gestures stop working, clear the gesture app cache, re-grant accessibility and overlay permissions, or restore your backup. One key troubleshooting tip: disable conflicting OEM navigation and reboot before re-enabling custom gestures to reset system state.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.